Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll show you to deal with your Galaxy Watch in cases where you want to get to Android recovery, but of course the watch is not getting into recovery or you have ended up in strange menus that do not match the recovery menu that you can actually use to reset your device. All right, so let me show you what I mean. For example, there's a menu here that I'm going to show you. All right, so it's usually that you're not doing the right thing, and this tutorial should help you to fix the issue. All right, so depending on your watch, first you need to do guys is to know your buttons. So for example, this is the home or power button, then this is the back button. They are similar across watch 4, I think 5 and 6. So of course each procedure should be generally the same, except for some earlier watches or maybe if later ones might be slightly different. All right, so let me show you one of the menu that just in case you're ending up the wrong menu. All right, so this might be the menu that you have ended up in out of error when you're trying to do or trying to get to the recovery mode and you're not seeing the options that you should be seeing. All right, so as you can see here, the menu, the wrong menu will show. Let me read it for you just in case you can't see it. It says continue, it says ship mode enabled, it says FCM mode, it's very hard to see, it says force upload mode disabled, it says download USB, and it says download wireless, and it says power off. All right, so you can go ahead if you're in this menu or you've been getting to this menu and hit power off. So I'm going to select power off. All right, so to show you to get to the right menu, as we said, the buttons. So this is what you do. You're gonna go ahead and once the watch is in normal mode, you're gonna hold down both the home button or power button and the back button. You're gonna see rebooting, and of course once the rebooting process kicks in, you're going to let go of the back button. All right, then you're gonna press 1, 2, 3. And you can know which button to press as it's going to be the main power button that's highlighted in red. All right, so it's 1, 2, 3. Now if you do not press 1, 2, 3 when it says rebooting or keep pressing it, you're going to end up restarting the device. Now this is the error for that screen I showed earlier. If you press the wrong button, meaning if when it says rebooting, if you press this one, 1, 2, 3, it's going to take you to that other menu. That's a totally different menu used for something different. All right, so you want to tap this button, 1, 2, 3. So whatever button got you to that screen, use the opposing button. All right, let me show you what I mean. All right, 1, 2, 3. See, now we're in the right menu because I pressed this button. All right, if I had pressed this button, I'd be in the menu that I showed previously. All right, so this is the right menu. Notice it says no, and I'll read the options again. It says continue, it says recovery, which is where you want to go. It says download wireless and power off. All right, so we're select the second one that says recovery. You're gonna press the power button for about a few seconds and let go, and it's gonna end up in the right recovery mode. All right, there you go. See, you're now in the right mode. Notice it gives you all the options here. And this is like the classic Android recovery. And the options are all here. Reboot system no. Apply updates from ADB. Apply updates from SD card. Wipe data factory reset. Wipe cache partition. View logs. Recovery logs, that is run graphics test. Run local test. Power off. And of course, reboot system no. And from here, it is up and down to navigate. Press this for a little while to select. And in some menus to confirm, swipe right or swipe left, or even some cases swipe up to move through the options. All right, so do hope this was useful and see you in the next one, guys. and hope that fixed the problem in case you ended up in the wrong menu. See you in the next one. Bye.